Hey guys, basically I'll be showing you how to use the Yuzi kit on mobile. So as you can see, I got the Yuzi sword and I'll be showing you how to use the kit. So first you would probably get a lot of blocks. Wait, I have the shift glitch, by the way. So you just want to bridge normally like that, and then I would prefer going in first person, because when you go in first person, Yuzi can make better jumps. So you hold down the sword button on your screen, then you go like this and let go of the sword button till the red bar at the bottom pops up. Gets filled, and then there's like a popping effect. So that's pretty much it. And at the bottom, you could tell there's four squares. Right? That's how much times you could use Yuzi, and then you'll have to recover, regen. So for example, if I just go I'm just gonna bridge to him. Oh wait, I actually made it without having to. Well, about that. Oh, I won. Freaking thing. Well, that's pretty much it. See ya.